and welcome to English in Real Life. My name is Lucy.
And I'm Tom. How are you doing today, Lucy?
I'm great, thank you. And you?
I'm doing very well. I'm happy to see you and excited for today's lesson.
Of course, so am I.
Today we're going to talk about something that comes up in different situations, how to talk about yourself. You hear this in conversations at work, in interviews, and when meeting new people, but many learners don't know what to say, or they may even feel a bit nervous. This is why today we will practice together and help you feel confident.
Sounds good. We already know each other, but maybe we will find out something new today.
That would be fun. Where should I start?
Maybe start with your name, age, where you live.
Okay. My name is Tom. I am 30 years old. I'm from the United States of America, California, to be more exact. I work as a podcaster.
Nice. My name is Lucy. I am 28 years old. I am also from the United States, but from Michigan, and I work as a teacher and a podcaster. Do you still live in California?
As you know, I live in New York at the moment, as do you, right?
Yes, that's right. Do you like living in a big city?
I do, but I prefer to spend holidays in the countryside where it is more quiet. Being in nature is relaxing.
I couldn't agree more. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to go hiking, fishing, and sailing, if possible. I love to spend time outdoors. When I'm in the city, I often go for a walk in the park. What do you like to do?
I love cooking and also going out to restaurants and trying new food. I also enjoy watching movies, so I go to the cinema almost every week.
Wow, what's your favorite film?
My favorite film is The Lord of the Rings.
Oh, that's interesting. How often do you go to the theater?
Maybe once a month. Do you live in an apartment or a house?
I live in a small house.
Makes sense, as you like nature.
Yes, but I only have a small garden, so not as much nature as I would like. But it's still nice.
Of course. I live in an apartment in a high-rise building.
Isn't it too noisy?
It can be, but I like having people around.
What about your family? Do you have brothers or sisters?
I have an older brother and a younger sister.
So, you are the middle child?
That's right.
Are you close with your family?
Yes, but my brother moved to Europe, so we only see each other once a year. But my sister lives near me and we meet every week.
That's nice. I have two older brothers and we are very close as well.
Do you have any pets?
No, but I love animals, especially dogs. What about you?
I don't have any pets either, but I used to have a cat when I was younger.
Nice. So by now we have talked about our age, where we live, our jobs, hobbies, about our family and pets. What else?
What about favorite food or favorite color?
Oh, okay. I love Italian food, pizza, and pasta. And I think my favorite color is blue. What about you?
I really like Mexican food, but I like to try new things all the time. And my favorite colors are pink and purple.
What about personality? That is also a common question.
Okay, that's a good one. I think you already know me quite well, but I would say I am a calm and easygoing person. I am an extrovert, as I really like talking to other people.
I would describe myself as more of an introvert. I like to spend time alone from time to time. I think I have a good sense of humor.
That's true.
Great. I think that maybe we should do a compact example. How to introduce yourself to someone new.
Good idea. Here's an example. Hi, my name is Anna. I am 25 years old and I'm from the United States of America. I work as a teacher and I really enjoy it. In my free time, I like reading and going for walks. I'm quite a calm person, but I also enjoy spending time with friends. On weekends, I usually relax or go out.
Great. A few common mistakes non-English speaking people make are saying, I am 25 years instead of I am 25 years old. And I very like music instead of I really like music.
Perfect. I think it's time to wrap it up for today.
If you found today's episode useful, please leave a like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.
Bye.